Hello, scholars. I just wanted to do a very quick video on resizing objects in Google Slides. Now, I already taught you guys how to resize, but there's a very specific reason why you need to resize your objects the way that I tell you to. So let's take this picture of this Hmong man. You see how there are these little blue boxes for to resize. Whenever you resize, scholars, always press and hold down Shift. Keep holding it down, and then you click on one of these boxes, and then you make it either bigger or smaller. Now, the reason why you do that is so that the shape stays consistent. What I mean is that you don't warp your image. If you do not hold down Shift when you resize, this is what's going to happen. You can either go like this, right? Accidentally warp it like this, or you can accidentally warp it like this so that it's too skinny and then it doesn't look correct. So whenever you resize, scholars, doesn't matter if it's object like this or individual object like or any shape, okay? Any shape that you make, scholars, you always hold down Shift, click on one of these boxes, and then make it small. See, when you do that, it doesn't matter which way you go. It's always going to keep the correct proportions. See that? So that's all that I wanted to say in this video. Whenever you resize, scholars, once again, you hold down Shift, you click on the object, you hold down Shift, and then you resize, okay? Never resize just by clicking this. You're gonna warp your image, or you're gonna warp your objects.